Hey guys, today's video is gonna be like kind of vloggy, obviously. But it's gonna be more of an organization video. I just didn't want to set up everything in order to just do this intro and outro. But let me open this up so I can show you. I bought these little guys they kind of like interweave, insert picture. So I have this drawer here that I want to use these in, and it has like all of my lip products, and a lot of them are just kind of in these things. So I want to organize them, and then maybe I guess do my bronzers and blushes and powders and stuff since they're in the same drawer. We'll figure that out when we get there. In this video also, if the organization doesn't take too long, I will go through my inventory. I started inventorying in like December, like writing out everything that I own. And I have most of it. I just don't have the lip products. I have lip liners, but I don't have like the lip glosses, the lipsticks, the lip balms, the liquid lipsticks, the satin lipsticks, and all of that. So I need to do those. So since I am going to be reorganizing, I might as well inventory them. And if I'm going to inventory them and show you my organization, then I might as well show you my inventory overall. Now, I've got a little bit more energy and I'm prepared a little bit more, or like ready to dive back into that and talk about it. Do you ever like do something and then you get like overwhelmed and tired and you just kind of hide from it for a long time? Just me? Okay. I'm sure some of you too. I'm sure. When you're like, this is a really big daunting thing that I've built up in my head, so I can't go near it anymore. That's what this lip drawer was. But buying new things sometimes pushes you into going back to it again. So that's what we're going to do. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please give this video a like so that I know that you like this kind of video. Let me know what else you would like to see if you like this kind of video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm in my normal filming setup because I just finished filming for the day. It has been multiple days since I started the lip drawer journey, the organization journey, and I'm gonna hopefully finish it today. But I wanted to, while I'm in this great lighting, go ahead and just give you the 411. So basically I worked on what you saw last time, and then when I went to go to bed and I had to live my life for the next couple of days without filming, I kind of just shoved everything in the drawer. So it's not cute. It's even less cute than it was before. So we're gonna pull everything back out, start organizing it, hopefully finish. And I thought I was gonna talk about my inventory in this video, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to because the organization part is taking so long. If you guys are interested in an inventory video, let me know, and maybe I'll just do like a talking video about my inventory, because I have a lot of makeup. As if you couldn't tell from this one drawer, like I have a lot of makeup, especially for someone who hasn't even been doing YouTube for a year. Like a lot of this makeup I've had pre-YouTube. Like I've had a lot of makeup for a long time. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back into this drawer. I'm kind of nervous, but we can do this, right? Come on. All right, I think you can see in here, but I'm not 100% sure. So I just threw a bunch of stuff in here on the top. So I'm gonna pull that stuff out, get a better view of what's going on. So I'm calling it lipstick drawer because this whole section here is lipsticks, and I have some just laying on top now. And then this is all of my powders, and then this is one palette that goes with these palettes. Hold on, let's see. So I have face palettes back here that I don't use often, but I do want to keep in my collection, I think, for now at least. So I'm gonna put this face palette back here. This one was so expensive and I never use it. And then I have powders in here. And this is enough powders to fill this. So I know that I need it, but I wonder also, like, could I do higher? Something higher. I don't really have anything. So I'm thinking, what if I do, I don't know, I like these. I don't want to stack them because I don't want to have to get them all out to get one out. But I kind of wish I had like a vertical storage or something in here. I don't know, because I feel like this takes up a lot of space in this drawer. And I still have more lipsticks, so let me put you in the drawer. This is all of them that I have right now, and it fills up most of this. Let's So I put pretty much every lipstick in this section. I do have a couple that are just on my desk, lip glosses that I use regularly, and I'm gonna pull this Huda Beauty one out because it is new to my collection. I'd like to use it some more. And then that's everything. That is all my lips. Now I need to figure out how I'm gonna fit all of my bronzers and blush and highlights in this half. So it takes up not a full half, but like, hold on, quite a chunk. To figure out what I'm going to do, because I have so many bronzers and blushes. I need to figure it out because I don't even have like, I have like half maybe of my collection over here. I'm in the middle of trying to do a bronzer video, so I have almost all of my bronzers out, and then I just did a cream blush video, so all of those are out and over there somewhere. So we're not even going to deal with those today. We're just going to deal with what we have here, which should be a majority. I'm so close. Hold on. A majority. It should be a majority of my highlighters and some of my blushes. So that's what we got to deal with today. So I don't know. I do feel like I need to do something with these powders, because why do I have so many powders when I have dry skin? But today's not a declutter. We're just reorganizing. But a declutter will probably come really soon. So subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, so I just need to get these things in here organized as is right now. And yeah. What do you want? What? Okay, guys, that is that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining or informative or satisfying in some way, shape, or form. I am tired and I feel accomplished today, so gonna check off. I'm gonna go write this all on a to-do list so I can go check it off, because that'll feel really good. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!